Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to TECNO Pop 8. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then to use it, you need to set it up by tapping on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Now click on Close in the pop-up at the top and select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of TECNO. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, you can select multiple files to transfer. I will go with only a couple of them, just for example. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom and click on Got it. Now you need to decide which connection way will be better for you. To connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section, copy all of those numbers, and when you finished, hit Receive. If you prefer to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide, close and add, allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then just wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!